Did you know? People are living longer, but are you living better? The problem lies in the top 5 quality of life busters, which include stress, low energy, your immune system, digestion upset, and lowered sleep quality. The solution is simple. Learning about natural solutions that are safe, effective, and less expensive than traditional or synthetic options can be done with a free 15-minute wellness consult over the phone, which is how virtually all my clients get started, with skyrocketing their quality of life into the stratosphere, all while saving them time, money, and frustration as well. Why does this matter though? Understanding your needs, goals, and if there's a good fit is the quick and easy way to get you from where you are to where you want to be with your health and wellness. So what's next? Send me an email at essentialoilsme@gmail.com or send me a message with what you're looking for to get started today. And I look forward to talking with you soon.